Guys, this is going to be an educational video where we'll show you how we fish with ultralight gear using edible silicone. Stay tuned and enjoy the show. Hey everyone, big greetings to you all.
A big hello to everyone.
Today, Diamond and I went out to fish on a small river, and we'll be using just fishing products. The tackle just has a lure. These are wonderful tackle that won first place at the Hunting and Fishing in Russia exhibition. Here we have silicone lures, and there are also some really good leaders made of fluorocarbon, steel, and titanium. Guys, make really good tackle for fishing, right? Yes, each 31 leader is tested for strength. We have a lot of lures, and now we'll show them to you. We have a lot of packs, and today we'll fish with them and see how they perform, friends. Since the predator fishing season is just around the corner, Diamond and I are planning to go out on the boat to fish for pike and other fish often. That's why we want to stock up on the right things and stock up on leashes. And the silicone, so that we have everything, so to speak, is already ready, and we chose exactly this. Here's the link to these lures and leaders in the description below this video. But now we'll show everything in detail. And we'll fish with them, friends. These are the silicone lures. You can see how many there are. What a wonderful shape they have, and how bright their color is. Here we have perch and pike. I think there are plenty of gossips here too, right, Demon?
Yeah.
Yes, here's the black color. Show me which pack you like, Diamond. Yeah, choose what you like.
I like this pack.
Is this the pack with the leaders?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're just here in the sea.
Show me what you have in stock.
Here we just have a leader, fluorocarbon.
Fluorocarbon leaders, ice fishing leaders. These are also fluorocarbon, trolling leaders. Just a regular titanium leader for pike. Excellent for pike. And then the fluorocarbon lure. Ice fishing rigs with double hooks, just right. Titanium leaders, there's also a titanium one that can handle 5 kilograms, and it can withstand up to 10 kilograms of titanium.
Material.
I don't even know that I need to watch this. You heard me, honestly. It's the first time I'm hearing about this material at all. Cool, guys. So we stocked up on leaders for a whole year. Stocked up on fluorocarbon leaders for pike. That's what we need for silicone lures. It's wonderful, Demon from Tracton. Tell me, what do you think? Try it out. I won't lie. I already opened a pack before. What we need for the silicone lure is wonderful, Diamond from Tracton.
Tell me, what do you think? Try it out. I won't lie. I already opened a pack before.
Let me show you the samples, guys. I'll open it again right in front of you. Does it smell like shrimp or not? Yes, it smells delicious. Like shrimp. Well, friends, let's start fishing since we're at a small river. We'll take some micro lures, the ones we have over there. And now let's try from that side of the river. If you look, there's a bay, and now Demon will show you there's quite a bay. Interesting. And this is the bay of the Seversky Donets River, and this little river is flowing over there. From there, the current is blowing in our face as it flows like a bypass channel. Fish come in here, and they're biting quite well. This is a whitefish, roach, all that small stuff, you could say. And pike and perch come in here to chase after this fish. It's pretty good here, but right now the weather, as you can see, might ruin our whole fishing, because you can see the clouds, thunderstorms are rolling in. But nevertheless, we're going to give it a try now. We're taking our lure. It weighs 3 grams. I chose a 1-inch lure, and we immediately move a bit closer and make a cast like this. It's diagonally. We make the first cast like this. That is, there is a channel here, as I told you. Here is where the greatest depth is, and we're going to drag the lure along the bottom like this, with little taps like this. Maybe we'll be able to catch something right here, right now. There are many different wiring that can be used on such micro and rivers. One of them is dragging. So we cast across the channel into the hole and out of the hole, just like we did now, but there were no bites. The second retrieve is along the channel since we're on this lovely little bridge. This is a great hiding spot for perch. They all hide here. I'm going to make a cast now, and we'll show you. Look, I made a short whistle right under the bridge, and I'm giving it a little shake. I made a cast under the bridge, and I'm waiting while the lure is sinking. The lure has dropped, and I'm going to pull it out. So, we're going against the current, slowly tapping with pauses. There was already a bite. There was the first bite. With taps and pauses, it's better to let out more line. We're going to pull it through now. Since there was a bite, maybe... Guys, look at how we had a bite. It just let us go, see? We had a bite with this kind of force. It just bit off the bait. I'm telling you, there was a hit. Right now I'm changing the bait to exactly this one, and we'll make another cast together. Let's repeat our cast. What kind of predator is that? So it completely bit off our tail. It's essential that when you make a lift, the bait should fall freely. So the line shouldn't be tight, it should be completely slack so that it falls naturally. And if it's tight, then it will fall. Like this, swinging it back and forth. And that usually alarms the fish. Wow, there was just a little nudge. Look, wow, look, Diamond, look at how good it is. Look at this perch. Yeah, he is nice, right? What a beauty. Come on, let's show him here. Oh, he got away. Did you see that, guys? You saw it, right? What a perch that was. Such a beauty. Just wow. What an awesome perch that got away, guys. It was such a powerful nudge. It really took the bait. I'll try again. Wow, you are a demon. Look. Pike. As soon as I cast, the pike was right there in front of me. I got it. Wow. Micro pike. Cool. A micro pike in a micro river. Let's go. Such a little pike, here it is. Great, swim away. We caught a beauty. Hey there. So look, under the bridge, there's a bush of grass. So you see it, right? Here's a bush of grass. I'm casting into the channel along the bush. And I'm bringing it along of this bush. The little perch is hiding near the bushes, but it's looking for small fish there. Because, as you can see, there are a lot of small fish here. And the main thing is to make the retrieve. I'm telling you, near the hiding spots. The closer your retrieve is to the hiding spot, to the grass, to the stick, to the pillars, the more chances you have of catching a fish. It's obviously hiding there. Right from under the bridge, Diamond. From under the bridge, from the channel. Another beauty. It's not big, but it's a nice perch. Did you feel a bite? Yeah, they all hide right under the bridge. The cover here is awesome for them. They're just hanging out here. I'm going to take off the lure now. Did you feel a bite? It's nibbling, great. It's swallowing the silicone, just super, buddy.
Well, it was my turn to catch. Seryoga caught several perches on this bait. One of them, by the way, was large. And I will fish a little differently. I will use different tactics. I'm not going to fish from under the bridge, but rather from long casts under the reeds and just calmly pull it to the side. Pulling it towards the bridge, and suddenly maybe we'll catch something. Let's make a cast. Let's settle down. As soon as it touches the bottom, we start to play with it. But if my tactic doesn't work, we'll try Seryoga's spot under the bridge. I hope we catch something.
Now let's test this perch for strength and stability. How hungry he is. Got it. Wow, you really held up. Dimon, he just flew away. You can't imagine. I realized He was just chosen, you broke off, you tie up. What a small sash. But he took it perfectly. Just the serve is so...
Awesome. Oh!
Someone is chasing someone else in the middle of the river. Yes, under the bridge. That's where all the fish are. Another one. Good. Nice. Not big either, but it's a perch. Whoa! Another one. Another striped one. Both. Shh, 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 shh. There is. And all the fish are biting under the bridge, guys. Why are you hiding all the bait here? Everyone hid. Guys, in general, it's winter right now, and we want to take it on 16. And we just want to move to another spot now. Here are our baits. We loaded the rods into the car. We want to move to another spot to catch some fish. Yeah, Diamond. Do you have any pears? It's fine. Did you eat the pear? Great. Let's try over there now and see how the bite is. We're getting ready and heading into battle. Demon, where are we going? Let's go to the drop-off. Let's go to where we can walk waist deep in the water, right? There, where the road is bad. We're leaving now. To the dump, where the road is bad, we'll be fishing there now. Look, there are a lot of fish there, so we will test all our baits that we have in our arsenal. Let's try fishing there and see what happens. Okay, it will be bad. You'll all see now. Guys, so we're making our way through the sand and the forest with Damon. The road is pretty off-road, right, Damon? Yeah, so we're moving along slowly. There will be a river soon, and we hope to... There will be access to the water. If not, no worries, we have the waders. We'll gear up, put them on, and go in up to our chests. Oh, well guys, the first sandhill. The first test for Demon and me. Wow. Demon, is this definitely sand, not asphalt?
Yeah.
We got in so easily, it's almost... And it's unclear where we were. Oh, the river is already in sight, guys. We're going to fish there now. Guys, so we just arrived at the fishing spot and it started raining right away. Yeah, Daimon. It started pouring rain right away. Damn it, grab the rods. Let's get them together. And we'll head out now. Well, you know, it's one of those rain and sun situations, as they say. It's a mushroom rain. Yeah. Close it. Let's go. So, guys. Wow, the perch is biting, Diamond. Not bad. Right now, we're going to catch some here. The baits are doing their job. And the fish are biting well. Alright, now we... Another cast. Let's see what we have over there. Dimon, the bait is touching you. Or in the water column. One side, it's biting. Double blast, pause, jab, sit. I just said double pull, pause, tap, it's on, and there it is. Psst. There's a beauty.
So, everything is very simple for us. Our bait slipped a bit. We put the bait back on, adjusting the weight. As always, the signature cast. Let's squat. And we make the cast. It's gotten a bit tangled now. We untangled it. We're adjusting the line. And let's get to fishing. Mainly you can feel the bites from the perch after. A pause and two. So, these little taps that Sergey is showing you right now, that's when you can hear the bite. And by the way, there are a lot of small fish, meaning bites. Sometimes I even confuse small fish with the fact that they simply hit the silicone bait, the cord. Sometimes there is a bite. Sometimes it happens that you're reeling in calmly and it's already hooked and you start to set the hook and pull. It just comes off. That's what we call not setting the hook. All right, now let's do it a bit differently. We'll cast like this. Let's cast like this. And let's get to fishing.
Got it. Ah, it came up. There was a nice little perch. Got it. Another one. Just drag it along the bottom and that's it. Oh! Awesome. It just swallows it. It's just crazy. Give it back. Ah, it came off. A little perch.
Well, that's how we did some fishing. I hope you enjoyed the video from Lavinka.
We had a good catch. Not bad at all. On the small river and also at the reservoir. We might go kayaking soon, trying to catch some experience. There was a pike, there was a perch, and there was a nice one here. You see, guys, what the weather is like? It's raining. So we were driving to the spot. It was terrible. We were really hot and we were super tired. So that's how things are. Ultralight is what catches fish all the time. What catches in the summer. What catches in the fall. And in the spring, guys. Catch with light tackle and you will definitely enjoy it, Noam. And I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Subscribe to
Friends, hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos.
the red button. The subscribe button should be gray. Well, good luck to everyone and goodbye. Don't brag about your catches.